World Literature, page 55, The Small Cabin, a poem by Margaret Atwood. Words to know. Literary term, alliteration, the repeating of consonant sounds that begin words. Selection vocabulary, gradually means slowly. Crumple means fold or wrinkle. Collapsing is caving in or falling down. After a fire destroys the family's cabin, the speaker in this poem has difficulty believing the tragedy actually happened. The house we built gradually from the ground up when we were young, 3 rooms, the walls, raw trees, burned down last year, they said. There is a pause in the line. It shows that the speaker of the poem is only repeating what she heard. Perhaps she still cannot believe the news. I didn't see it, so the house is still there to me. Among the branches, as always, I stand inside it looking out at the rain moving across the lake. But when I go back to the empty place in the forest, I'm sorry, I know the light is really bad in this recording. The pause lets you feel the speaker move from the thought of the burned cabin to the thought of how lovely the cabin was. So she says, but when I go back to the empty place in the forest, the house will blaze and crumple suddenly in my mind, collapsing like a cardboard carton thrown on a bonfire, summers crackling, my earlier selves outlined in flames. Left in my head will be the blackened earth, the truth. The repeated letter sounds in collapsing like a cardboard carton sound a little bit like the crackling of a fire. Where did the house go? Where did the words go when we have said them? Okay, literature practice. Answer these questions on a separate sheet of paper. Actually, answer them on the back of your vocabulary. Number 1, what happens to the cabin? Number 2, how does the poet describe the burning house? Number 3, who are the earlier selves outlined in flame? Number 4, why do you think the memory of the small cabin is important to the speaker?